Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Party company. Today, I'm here with a new question related to Google Ads. And the question is, hi, I'm running a Google Ads Smart campaign with an objective to increase calls to business for a month now. Nearly 90% of the incoming calls are from numbers that are not responding or invalid. Out of 200 calls in June, nearly 180 of them are like this. Any help on how to handle this or improve the calls from genuine numbers? So I can see, so this is one of the sample where major of the calls are incoming missed, not responding, outgoing booked, incoming inquiry call, and incoming missed but booked. Okay, missed but booked, how it's like missed but booked. Okay. Okay, so what you are saying is that the 90% of the incoming calls are from numbers that are not responding or invalid. It means uh, that you are actually getting not the targeted traffic which you were wanted to, or which one should have. Now the question is, why you are running a smart campaign when your objective is to get more calls. Whenever your objective is to get more calls, you have to run a call campaign. Okay, so the first thing you are doing wrong over here is that you are not running a call campaign. My strategy is going to run a call campaign. That is an ultimate. Okay, again, there are some things which you can use, like extensions, adding extensions with your call so that it enhances your conversion rates, like promo extensions, call deals extension, pricing, site link, reviews, whatever you can add, that helps. Now again, now keyword optimization and everything come later on, but over here the second aspect which I feel over here is that do not rely on Google call reporting software alone, and you can use any other custom software for that, and that can also help you in actually identifying the numbers you have. And then you can have a IP address record, like if you are getting the same numbers calls from the same IP, no, okay, I mean the same IPs, then we can eventually block those IPs so that our ad is not being shown over here. Again, that the software can help with that as well. So yeah, so that there are two things which so far I have discovered over here. Is one is the call campaign. uh, Second is using a custom software. Third, I believe, is improving your ad quality. Okay, that can also help. So improving your ad quality is another important perspective over here, which you need to understand over here. So that is another important add-on over here. So yeah, these are few of the things which I believe that can help you. But in case if you are looking for a professional help, me and my team can definitely help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description to get started working with us, and we can help sure to make you create an awesome Google Ads campaign. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Take care and bye bye.